Hello guys, welcome to JavaScript tutorial. In this video we will talk about why we choose JavaScript for developing web applications or websites. JavaScript is an essential programming language. It is almost required to learn for students or software developers that are tend toward development. It is one of the three languages all developers must learn, and they are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's start with HTML. Why do we use HTML? The best answer is to define the content of web pages. For those who don't know what web page is, it is a single document can be displayed by a browser, and this document is written in HTML language, hypertext markup language. It seems confusing web page with a website, but web page is a single document in a website, and a website is a collection of web pages. This means multiple web pages form website. A single web page has HTML for showing content or on a browser, CSS for making it attractive and well organized, and JavaScript to make the web pages interactive or do specific tasks like playing video on YouTube, put a comment and subscribe, playing games, fill some governmental applications. Why do we add CSS to our web page? To specify the layout of web pages and make web pages more attractive and well organized. And the third one is JavaScript. Why do we use JavaScript in our web pages? To program the behavior of web pages or make our web page specific task, to dynamically modify HTML and CSS, and to update a user interface via Document Object Model API. When we first run our code on a browser, first the code HTML and CSS is loaded and executed in order to appear on a browser's page. If a JavaScript is loaded and run before HTML and CSS that is intended to modify, it may trigger an error because the intended HTML and CSS code is not there before JavaScript. When the browser encounters a block of JavaScript code, it generally runs it in order from top to bottom. What is JavaScript used for? JavaScript is used in a various fields from web to servers, and here are a quick list of significant areas it is used in. First, web application, mobile applications, web-based games, and back-end web development. JavaScript is used for adding interactivity and automation to websites. So, if you want your web application to be anything more than just a static page of contents, you probably need to do some scripting or adding scripts to your website or web page. The second one is mobile applications. JavaScript isn't just for developing web applications. It is also used for developing applications for phones and tablets. With the frameworks like React Native, you can develop fully fledged mobile applications with all fancy animations. If you ever played a game on your web browser, JavaScript was probably used to make that happen. Web-based games can be developed by JavaScript. JavaScript has traditionally been used for developing the front-end part of a web application. However, with the introduction of Node.js, a prevalent back-end JavaScript framework, things have been changed, and now JavaScript is used for back-end structure also.